So you see my key. It's testing whether my key is communicating. It actually tested my key. That's a very handy feature too. I'm gonna manually enter my vehicle. This is a Ford, and there's the hertz. This one is 433 megahertz on my sensors. There's my sensors. It's in there. It is logged. I'm gonna confirm it. Bam, it just brought up all of my data. Now let's diagnose it. Let's go ahead and diagnose. You can see. Diagnose it. It's sitting there. It's testing. We are plugged in there. It's still going. We do have the engine turned on, communicating. Now, these sensors are not bad on this one. These sensors are fine. You can see right here, there is no codes at all. There's the actual hexa. It's 37CBB4F4. So that's my left front tire. And if I want to program it, I can program it. Or I'm not going to re-diagnose everything. I'm just showing you guys how you can go and do it. Yeah, so once you have all that data, you'd go into sensor test, then you could test, you could go and reset each sensor right in here once you get all of your sensor kind of set up and everything, because you have your code and then everything like your diagnostics and everything like that. So that's a really great feature to have on a unit like this. Now, I've had several products from these guys before, and I have been very impressed with them. I've already used this scanner a few times now and just kind of like checked my truck, my car, and I have a car with a check engine light on currently. So I'm going to actually show you that, but let's go over some of the features of this XTOOL first. First off, you can tell there's no wire. Look at that. This is 100% wireless transmission. So you'll plug this into the OBD2 sensor, and then it's going to wirelessly communicate between them. I love that. I am so sick of running wires back and forth between them. If you guys know anything about how to reset tire pressure monitoring systems, you have to have a special tool that communicates like Wi-Fi, or it uses like a radio frequency between them. This has it all built in. I've never seen one with it all built in, and I really like that feature a lot. It does have a memory card slot right here if you guys want to use that, but I don't really see a need for that. This has up to 10,000 vehicles that you can have in here. When you first get it in, you want to turn it on and do the updates. Do all the updates because it updates all to the current software. It'll update everything. So I already did that. So it had to go through that process. That was probably about 5 minutes. So with the tire pressure monitoring, you can go manual mode. What it's doing, it's going to initialize. Well, I guess it's looking for communications of that. It's seeing that I do have current firmware. So I can manually enter all of the data in right there if I want to do that. But a lot of it will do it by itself. There's the diagnostic. You can have my vehicles. You can have your own programmed vehicles. You got American, Asia, Australia, China, and Europe. There's all of the different vehicles. When you update it, you'll get all of these vehicles. You won't have it right away. We've got account center. You can go in here. All my account, I won't show you my account information. You got workshop. You can put your workshop name. So if you're a mechanic shop, you have all of that in there. Test records. So now I can go back and I can see all of my old test records. Units, I got US units in here. Tire pressure settings. Now, I have it in America, but you can see the different types of units. I've got it in PSI, KPA, and bar. Temperature units, obviously Fahrenheit and Celsius. Store ID. Wi-Fi connection, you're going to want to set up your Wi-Fi. The display, I can go up on my display there. So this thing has a lot of internal storage. You really don't even need a memory card to it. So right down here, date and time, upload test report, and I think that's pretty much it. You've got sensor test. The special function is what you would use to reset your throttle response or reset your transmission. If you want to reset your transmission, that's something very handy on Fords. Your crankcase sensor. This thing has so much contained into it. This video would take hours for me to go through all the stuff that it has on here. If you guys have used any type of one of these scanners in the past, you'll understand exactly how important it is to have a good scanner like that. Let's just go ahead. Let's take it out to the car, hook it up, and let's see what all we get when we plug this in. Let me show you how seamless this kind of thing communicates between each other and how you can reset check engine lights, check out what you got, and we'll go from there. So let's do that now. Okay, what I'm going to do is go ahead and take this plug this in here first. As soon as I plugged it on, you guys hear that beep and a green light just came on. Auto scan, let's auto scan, it's communicating because we do have a check engine light on in this vehicle. And let's just see what it is. It's going through all of the scans. Airbag control module, I just changed that, believe it or not. Electrical power steering, it's going through 12, on this car it's going through 12. Now it might change from vehicle to vehicle, but already we can open up the engine and see. Well, let's let it do all of its scan first. It's still scanning. All right, what's our engine code? Three-way catalyst bank 1, we've got 6. It's a P0420 code. Well, you guys know what that probably is. That's the catalytic converter or the O2 sensors on bank 1 are probably out on this thing. One thing I can do, I can clear the code. So I can clear all codes and that way we can let it run. The code just went off up there. Pretty easy, confirm, get out of automatic scan. Now I can go system and I could scan each one kind of like by themselves. Rear view camera, different types of scanning on that, manual input, go to special function. Here's all of the special functions right here. But yeah, I don't see any issues with this thing at all. The fact that it's wireless, it's got a Wi-Fi transmission to it. It can do pretty much every type of scan tool and it can reset your TPMS kind of sensors. That is a handy feature right there to have on any scan tool. This tool right here would work great for a backyard mechanic or a shop, whether you've got a mechanic shop or a full-on dealership. This is something I recommend for you. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the XTOOL wireless OBD2 scanner with tire pressure reset tool. See y'all in the next video.